खाता लाइन करते हैं।
This is the first time in the Bhutan. We are here. So okay, now for like Bhutanese like us, we give this khada, this white scarf, as a welcome to our guests. This is khada.
Khada.
It's a white scarf. So in here there is around 8 lucky stars. So when we give to our guests, so we wish them to have a seat so in there. It's just for your own safety and for a warm welcome. We're also welcoming you to our land, but not only land, to our hearts. So now with this, I'm younger than you, so I'll just give you in your hand. So you have to put it around your neck, okay? Like that?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay. So I hope you will enjoy the Bhutan trip.
सर एक फोटो भी खींचेंगे, ठीक है सर?